Hello guys, welcome to the seventh tutorial of our note-taking app, and we are doing so great and so amazing. So what I'll do is here is I will because here we can click on the notes and we can update notes and we can add new notes. So now we have to work on one of the last functionalities, is that implementing here a search bar and deleting notes and all that. So let's just get right into it. First of all, what I'll do here is if we go to the edit fragment, and we can add some things here also. So let's just go to this on create view, and here we can add some of the things that I did not add it before. So and this is I'm just doing to the extra work support action bar, set title. Yeah, I'll just minimize the emulator for now, and you can add this in the uh, oh sorry in the home fragment, and respectively create node fragment 2. Oh no, this is home fragment. I'll just name it home. Create node needs to have this too, so I'll just add that. Create node. Okay, this is good. uh, okay, so now moving on, what I'll just do here is wall menu host. The type is going to be menu host. Require activity, menu host, add menu provider, this view lifecycle owner, lifecycle state, created. Okay, so this is giving me some sort of require menu provider, and this is giving some sort of error. Yeah, what I have to do here is I have to implement this interface menu provider. Now the error I think will go away. So we have to implement these two methods. Okay, we have got them. Set yeah, where was that? Set option has menu true, and this is decrypted, so we have to sort this, otherwise this will not work. Okay, yeah, so um so what I'll do here is I'll just decryption or on create view. So we have solved the decryption. Okay, so these two methods are created for us by the menu provider class, and what I'll do here is I'll just yeah, So let's just go and start to work on create menu. We have to inflate mm, so here what we'll do is menu inflator and just okay, so this will display our menu and I will just run the app and show you what it looks like in the edit fragment. What is the menu that we are looking at? And I have to write some more codes, but this is really that I wanted to show you because we have the search view and we have the delete icon also. And yeah, I cannot just write the code right away without showing you this. So if we see here, then I think on the home fragment there will be no menu, but if I go into, you see here we have these two, but obviously we are not searching anything in edit node. So what do we do that we make this like disappear, right? So what I'll just do here is just go search view, menu, find item, it's going to be app search bar, and we'll delete icon menu dot find item dot delete. If delete icon is visible, and obviously it's going to be always visible, then set visibility false. So again, if I run the app, then only delete icon is going to be displayed here. And now we can work on like how to delete this node, single node, right? Okay, so if I go back here, okay, now there is only delete node. Okay, so we'll go in here and we'll work on this. Simply if menu item ID is going to be is equal to rd delete, and this is the menu item that I did not show you because I copied it. So if we look here, then these are the menu items that we had created. Item and all these search and delete, right? So I'll just go here. Okay, if this is here, then what it needs to do is first of all, like I'll just write codes to like once it deleted, take me back to home fragment, and also like give us the toast message that the node is deleted, and we'll go in the view model to write its logic also. Node is deleted. Okay, so this is not the real work begins here. So what I'll just do is fun delete node, okay, and fun del node nodes, because this is also done with the help of Kotlin Coroutines. So what I'll just do is repo. Okay, that's great. Delete node nodes, and I'll just access this in here, view model dot delete node. Okay, now which node it has to delete? We know that it has to, like, first it needs to have an ID, right? It needs to have a reference. So what I'll do here is I'll just find an ID like here wall id to delete, and again we had this id parameter with the help of id variable with the help of bundle that we got the id. When we click on it, we automatically get it with the help of adapter, and we are navigated through edit fragment. So we have this id. Now we have the reference to this id. So what I'll do here is, it's simple, id to delete, and okay, so yeah, let's just id and title, subtitle, and was that new text? No text. Too many argument. Okay. Okay, this is good. And now here required isn't, but this is id to delete. Yeah. Okay. Now this will solve our issue, but one more thing is that in the layout, I think I have some confusion, so I'm going to take a look at my layout if I need a view model here or not. Yeah, I'm not using a view model here, so maybe let's just try to delete it from this method. Okay, so it says a return statement is required, return true. Okay, let's just rerun the app and see if we have any luck deleting this. Okay, if I click on this, click on delete, node is deleted, so that is immediately that node has gone away, right? This is great. What we had intended, it's working. Now let's quickly go to home fragment, because over there we have to do some similar things. Okay, what I'll just do is I'll just go to home fragment and I'll just minimize it, because we have to implement the search. And okay, this is here, these two. Okay, home fragment is here, edit node, we can just go and get some code from here that we had used. Okay, and let's just go to home fragment. Okay, where is our, yep. Here again we have to add that decrypted deprecation, I think. Yeah. You can say absolute, obsolete, yeah, obsolete. That kind of word I think is used to. Okay, for on create view. Okay, that's great. What I'll just do is here again. Oh wow. menu inflator dot inflate. It's going to be menu dot id dot menu. No. Menu. I think done a little bit of a mistake. I think that's it. Okay. What was the code here? Yep. We'll just get these. Okay, yeah. We need all this. No. Let's just rewrite it separately. Okay. So if search view, if we open our search view, then we want the delete icon to disappear, right? Because it would look bad. So for that we have to write a separate code. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching these tutorials and encouraging me, and if you have any questions, you can always reach my Instagram, and also please subscribe the channel because this will further motivate me to continue making these videos. Okay, so set on search bar, and at the same time okay, so let's just see this menu item. Oh wow, dot action view as search view. Now what we can do is set on open, no, set on search click listener. So whenever the search view is on, what we want to do is we want the delete icon to be like not visible, and I think I need one boolean value to make sure that our search view is, I know this is a little bit boring. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I can explain a little bit, just give me some time. So yeah, here again what I'll just do is search view set on close listener, and on close listener is delete icon set visible true. is opened not. So when we close the search view, then we don't see, we can see the delete icon, but when we open it, we don't need to see it, right? Okay, this is gone. So now we have a little bit of work that we have left, and yes, so in this tutorial we learned to delete the item, but also we can just implement the delete. Okay, so you see that recycler, like the recycle bin icon or delete icon is gone. I clicked on it, it's back again. So what I'll just the last thing I'll do is I'll just work on the delete functionality of all nodes, but maybe I'll just add one more node. Okay, just to show you that all nodes are deleted, right? So there are two nodes, and what we have to do is if menu item id is equals to rd delete, then what it needs to do is, and also it's expecting return true, so I'll just write it before it shows an error. Yeah, view model, and we can just add a toast message here also. All nodes deleted. We'll just minimize this. Toast length dot short show, and the reason this is showing red is because we haven't created this uh, method in here. So what I'll do is clear all. Okay, and repo delete all nodes. Okay, yeah, it's going to be okay, let's just create this here. Okay, yeah, here. All del all launch. Okay, so what I'll just do here is repository. Yes, I think it should work. Just go here and see. Okay, yeah, we have to use Kotlin coroutine. That is what I was making sure. So I'll just go back to my home fragment and see if it's. Let's restart our app and see if we can delete all nodes. So what we have done is that we have implemented the delete all functionality also, and we'll check by clicking on this. Okay, all the nodes are gone, right? So this is great. Our app is working great. The last tutorial is going to be about search view, and then we are good to go. Thank you for watching. And yeah, again, in this note or in this tutorial, what we have done is we have learned how to implement individual nodes and deleting them, and we have also learned how to delete all nodes. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.